the new favorite dogs of Buckingham Palace. The late Queen's corgis were much beloved by the world. Now there are new pups to fill that void. King Charles III and his wife Camilla have begun their reign, and they've brought their own beloved pooches with them. They are two adorable Jack Russell Terriers, Beth and Bluebell. Camilla adopted the dogs in London in February 2017. They have been much-loved members of their household ever since. Beth and Bluebell are both senior dogs, aged 11 and 10. Camilla first took Beth from an animal rescue center. Apparently, the pup had been abandoned by her owners. Camilla then thought Beth could use a friend. The center found Bluebell a couple of weeks later. She was wandering about in the woods. She had no hair on her, was covered in sores, and was virtually dead. They nursed her back to life, and her hair grew back. Camilla took the dog home. Camilla says Bluebell is very sweet, though a tiny bit neurotic. The dogs adore children and are allowed nearly everywhere. They're not allowed to sleep on the bed, however. Bluebell and Beth will be the first rescue dogs to live in Buckingham Palace, but they can't live there just yet. The building is currently undergoing renovation works. For the time being, they will reside at Clarence House in London. Bluebell and Beth have already become celebrities of sorts. They grace the cover of the July 2022 issue of Country Life. The two dogs were wearing Camilla's own pearl necklaces. King Charles is also a dog lover. He previously owned a Jack Russell, Tigger. Tigger died in 2002 and was buried at Charles's country home, Highgrove House. Perhaps his love for dogs comes from Elizabeth. She gifted him a corgi puppy as a Christmas gift in 1955 when he was 7. Queen Elizabeth was fond of corgis since she was a small child. Her first was a present from her father in 1933. She famously called her dogs her family. Elizabeth owned over 30 corgis during her reign. Many have been immortalized in statues and paintings. The corgis enjoyed a privileged life in Buckingham Palace. They resided in a special corgi room and slept in elevated wicker baskets. The corgis had an extensive menu which included fresh rabbit and beef. In 2015, the Queen stopped breeding corgis. She didn't want them to be abandoned in case she died. At the time of her death, she had two corgis, Sandy and Newick. She also had one Dorgie, a unique hybrid of corgi and dachshund. The corgis were a gift from Prince Andrew during the COVID-19 pandemic. Originally, a pup named Fergus was part of the gift. However, he died unexpectedly, and Andrew brought Sandy in his place. Elizabeth's last Dorgie, Candy, died in the summer, which left her devastated. Currently, Sandy and Newick are in good hands. Sarah Ferguson, Duchess of York, welcomed the corgis into her home. Meanwhile, Beth and Bluebell have taken the spot as royal dogs. The senior rescues are sure to enjoy luxurious life and public adoration.